Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka Jingkynnoh. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nakabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam yapi. Yasno but ka ICA.
Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee haka pratarik ujemang arajar arpsan kalakentaj war halor ka Jingkynnoh jong ka sengking atiar ka Trap National Liberation Council bat ongru bakam don Jingtip Eiei syapang ka Jingkynnoh jong ka Hnlc ba usumbun menteri rangba bamenta jong ka jela uba Sniawbhalang Dhar udon benta ban bay pisa ya ka Hnlc menba udang long menteri haka por baka kongres kadang bat yo lakam sensyar haka jela. Haka jingya karan bat kilat pathai kubor uba Emmanuel Badwar uba long unong yalam jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ulaong namar ba ka Jingkynnoh ka long ka paso bha namar kata de bantung da ka jingtokit ka bakhot ka bamdon kano ka jingya syaliang da kibor badai pen ulaong ba ka seng Congress kadawa yo ba Sniawbhalang Dhar ban herno nakasyuki menteri on dalas dang ka jingtokit.
Nismokia ya ka news ka balami menen kaba spokesperson jo ka MDA2 uong ba utan lang ya ka keteng jo ka Congress Party kani ka kontroversi mo kani ka jinjang baca ni but nila pakwa ban scam ni ka jing mod jungi ba takalong sa kumlong nuro ka party kamlong involve AA ni but lada ka day ka acquisition ka Jingkynnoh ketika MDA government kapan kapsim yang tak kerai, but ini iba Sniawbhalang Dhar, iba kapsim yang kerai, bain hab hiar syuki, nak Jingkynnoh minister juga, kenang ba ke investigation kata kajing Jingtip company, Jingkynnoh company, Jingja, kandai ke Khamsani, but kandai ke AKA ke Banwarna, Shisai ke Hop. Barkum ke parti nyemudan keti Eiei kata ke AKA ban Jingkynnoh pan kibriu ban chu pharep lumar ke datang ke kom pan tak miao ya ke jingtulat jong lajong ban nginget ban ni up lalu ke MDA government kan penhiar syuki ya Sniawbhalang Dhar kan ong yi namar ba hakno kom ke jingtok kan klan lada minister market sedang dia kata political interference ini ko aban ong manaka parti kampat judan menurut ketika parti kebat scam yang kinongden jong kebat scam kebat menung hakano menung koporu bat kideno kinundang keti bat ketika parti kebat ndai tabatang mentah bat menurut bat ni kwa mentusutu ipai ba prokai pada jingkwa jong parti kedai ban nama ke allegation ketika allegation kebat kham kalau serius bah Jadi kami kita kerja irrigation na tharayang kadang kami ke state perokowai berkipat pak kadang kami menjauh hi apa hok berkata ke hok kadi banwan hai ini ban dia pada kecing tokit ni tengi input din bangin pet bangin ai ke jinga ram nak parti dan kadang kami tip company ni dan kami ke bangin ni kwa support ngin support baik nama kadi anti national kadi jika imlang saklang jumpa ba hi berokoi kami mengelong kani rukom tangkat tak hendak penting ni condemn ni ke but Jingkynnoh but karep lumari ke kongres kum bersyak karep menen ngamsu ya ham dia ma leadership being dragged into this controversy which involves our deputy chief minister Shri Sniawbhalang Dhar and the spokesperson of NPP spokesperson of the MDA2 government, right? Whereby he had said that clarification needs to be given by the Congress. We categorically are saying here and vehemently saying that the attempt of the spokesperson to drag MPCC into this controversy surrounding the Deputy Chief Minister's alleged financial links with the banned Hnlc is not only misleading, but we believe that it's a textbook deflection tactic. You know, from a political background which is probably quite old in the playbook, which we believe should not have been done, because we stand by it saying that it's just a manipulation, and we totally disagree with it because the party categorically denies any knowledge and any involvement in these alleged activities from this spokesperson. And if it is true, as he said, that he's confident about, then definitely Mr. Sniawbhalang Dhar did not take the consent or even discussion with the party. And that's a known fact. Because as a party, the Congress stands very firm in its transparency, in its accountability, and to the rule of the land. We condemn any association with any illegal anti-national activities in the strongest terms and will not tolerate such conduct. The party commits to full cooperation with all authorities, by the way, and trust in the justice will be served and swiftly served through its legal processes. So we are willing to participate and give all needed support. But we need that Sniawbhalang has to step down, because this is not a small allegation, this is a very, very big allegation. It's anti-national in nature. And as a party, we are firm about that. And the party has is no way involved in such a thing. It is a personal thing that he has done it, or if he has done it at all. But the accusation is big enough for everything to be taken very seriously. And I think we believe that the authorities should take this with due diligence and ensure that at least it comes to a logical conclusion, which is right for the state, right for the country. And that's all that we are saying from here. As far as the Congress is concerned, definitely we have not been involved, we will never be involved ever. The party stands by that, and if it, at all, they are all personal things that belong to some individuals or the other. And for the Congress to be dragged like this is something which we condemn, because we as a party will never indulge in such a thing. And we believe that whoever is just trying to pull us is just deviating from the actual problem. And we will see now whether the MDA government too will be willing to take this seriously and actually ask Sniawbhalang Dhar to step down and proceed with an investigation which is critical and important. We demand that, and I think as a public of the state and of India as a whole, such things should not be tolerated.